Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix no sound on Chrome browser when playing YouTube videos. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are facing this issue where there is sound on other browsers, but when it comes to playing YouTube videos on Google Chrome browser, you don't have sound, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that the volume button here is not muted, so click on it severally to ensure that it is turned on. If that is okay, then head over to the volume here and you want to try and pull it to maximum, because sometimes if it is muted you will not be able to hear sound. However, if this does not solve your problem, then head down to volume here and right click on volume icon and then go to open sound settings. So this setting option should apply for both Windows 10 or Windows 11. And now here, go to sound. So if you go to sound, head down to advanced sound options, and from this go to apps. From this you can see Google Chrome is muted, and it is because of this that I can't hear or have sound. So unmute this and also turn the volume to maximum. And now if we go back to our videos, now you can see
an old man.
Now we have sound. So that's how you can fix no sound on Chrome browser when watching YouTube videos. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.